To run it, I can now come here and make refresh of my page, right? You see now a lesson will be inserted, right? You see, everyone, welcome to HTML lesson with GOO. Yeah, in this video I'm going to teach you about unordered list, right? If you were here in the previous lesson, we discussed about the ordered list, right? Where we try to write this code so as to display this list of these elements here by using ordered, and we got this output. You see, this one is what we got when we learn that program. But before reach here, we covered a different lessons. We start with HTML heading. So this video you can see now is there. Also HTML paragraph. We already covered HTML attribute and HTML list. We discussed about ordered list. This one, right? Yeah, this one here is what we learned in the previous lesson. Now we are going to learn about unordered list, right? And remember, in the previous lesson I showed you that to make unordered list we use this tag, right, which is open unordered list tag. And as usual, when we need to close, we use this right slash, right? Yeah, now I can now, let me change this one we already done. Let me write, I can now use the heading, like heading 2, sorry, like the heading 2 here, heading 2, and I can call it, let me call it languages, like this, and change here, but nothing will change, is only the elements that will be displayed. Here I can write C++ as programming languages. I'm going to display programming languages by using ordered list, right? Yeah, here now I can write Java programming language like this, VB, Visual Basic, VB, yeah, and also you can write let me write OOP like this. This will be displayed as a list but ordered by using numbers. Yeah, let me learn it and see how will be displayed. You see, languages, then list of that language. This is the ordered list as you see now. Yeah, to find out unordered list, we need now to make a declaration of unordered list, to open unordered list. Let me open it, unordered list like this. Then I can now use this tag to display a list. Now let us unordered list call it like courses or lessons. Let me call it, or sorry, let me use heading 2 here and call it lessons. Yeah, now heading what? Heading 2 like this. Yeah, also now I'm going to insert here list by using unordered list, because I open and close unordered list. What I'm going to do is to listing my items, right? Let me write like variable as first lesson, variable like this. Then I can now copy this statement and copy and then paste it here and call it like data types. As another lesson, I can also copy this statement to save time and then change. Only here I can call it operators. Then I also call this like data structure. Like this, sorry. Yeah, structure. Yeah, that is data structure, and so on. You can display as many as possible list by using another digit. So let me learn it. I can now save it and learn it. To learn it, I can now come here and make a refresh of my page, right? You see now a lesson will be inserted, right? You see, by ordered list, this is outcome, or output by another list, this one is outcome, right? Or output, because this was in the heading 2. That's why it appears large and bold. These are our list which are made by using another list. So thank you for watching this video. This is our expected lesson to make a list either by using ordered list and another list. But before we discussed it about ordered list, now we have to put effort about another list. So what you need to do now, and to make sure you put into your mind, is these statements here from another list, opening to close of another list. You have to open another list, then list your items, and after also you have to close your another list. Yeah, thank you for watching this video, and please watch this previous so as to move on without any ambiguous or any restriction. Yeah, thank you. I hope I will see you in the next video.